So we have our first sale of a Goose Grip Godzilla light set that's actually leaving the country. The first sale outside the United States. And of all places, this set is going to Ireland. This is the stick light set, which includes the 39-inch stick light with the 3600 lumens, along with the magnets, and it includes the swivel stick, magnet, 12-inch, 1300 lumens power cable, and it includes the portable Milwaukee M12 battery housing with the magnets on the bottom. The portable version, you could bring that anywheres. And then we have the gorgeous aluminum case with the latch locks. And then this gorgeous case, I actually went to Florida once and put clothes in it, took out the tool foam. It's got a zipper, and that's the set. The colors that were chosen were black and yellow. And this is the suction cup light, and this is the super articulating chassis light, power cable, the 12-inch lenses, 1300 lumens, and we're going to ship this tomorrow. Nice set. Good choice. All right, available on goosegrip.com. You can buy this entire set for $590 plus the shipping. And this will solve every lighting need that you have if you're a mechanic working on any kind of equipment or a vehicle. No more light frustration. Suction cup to attach to any glass or any flat panel that's very smooth. And if you're working on a lift, just attach this to a cross member or exhaust pipe. Anything, there's no rules. And the 39-inch can be used as an underhood light. Probably the brightest underhood light that is made by any company. That thing only weighs 7.5 ounces. It makes 3600 lumens. And I also use it as an inspection light. Put it down in front of the belts and pulleys while the engine's running, and let the tip of it touch the ground, and just stand it up like a lightsaber. And it doesn't get in your way. You don't have to put your hands near anything moving, and you light up everything. I also put it on top of a fuel tank when I need to see the vapor lines when I'm changing a fuel pump. I don't want to break anything. Anyway, Goose Grip 4-light set. I call it Godzilla. Gives you everything plus the cases. Available on goosegrip.com. That's it, I'm out.